I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't stop. Stop. Don't stop.
There are so many free crypto tools out there that you can utilize every day to make amazing gains in the crypto space. There are platforms or YouTube channels that have dedicated themselves or spending their whole life trying or creating opportunities for anyone out there who is interested in making money sustainably in the crypto space. The Banter community is an amazing community that I myself have been part of at one point in time, not as like be part of like the Banter team, like working for the Banter platform, but I've gone through some of their content and I've realized that the platform is really good because when you go there, you meet someone like Sheldon, Carl, and Annie, who was there previously. But what I'm trying to say here is this platform is a platform which is awesome for you to go and gain education. And one of the things that I've learned from this platform or from the Banter platform is Banter Bubbles and also being part of the Sniper Schools, by Sheldon. Well, what I came to realize is these guys, like particularly Sheldon, Annie, they have a system that is out there free of charge for those of you who are willing to learn, that you can go and plug yourself in and get real education. And today I want to share with you guys one of the Banter platform, which is Banter Crypto Bubbles. I've been talking about Banter Crypto Bubbles on my platform for some time now. And today I want us to focus on weekend trading, how you can use Banter Crypto Bubble or Banter Bubbles to trade crypto during the weekends when everyone is like crazy. During weekends, everyone when someone have gone out there or when people go out there and drink, they just press the buy button and buy whatever they want to buy. You will see some coins or some narratives pumping during the weekend, and maybe you wake up someday, some weekend and find a particular coin going up during that weekend. You don't know why the coin is going up. Banter Bubble can help you, understand all this. So today's video, I want us to dive, into this aspect of it particularly, so you can go out there and check on it, and then maybe use it for your own benefit. If say you are joining me for the first time, you are watching the Betong Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help anyone out there who is serious. See, what I mean by serious, those who have dedicated their time or want to dedicate time to learn something that is going to change your lives. And guys, if say you are not really plugged with the right network in this space, then you're going to find yourself spending money to buy programs, to be part of communities that are not going to be there to help you per se. They are there to help just themselves. But on my platform, I don't care if say I tell you to go and watch Banter platform or to go and watch Sheridan or to go and watch, and I want you to go and do all those stuff. Watch people who has helped me, become who I am today. So I don't feel that I don't feel like bias. I mean this space is free for anyone who is serious. So bringing this platform to you. By the way, guys, I'm not being paid by a Banter platform. Of course, I wish they can pay me. I become a sponsor of this platform, something like that. But this platform is the best for now. It's the best. So let's dive into it. This is it. Banter bubbles, not this one. Where am I right now? Let's go to this is the price of Bitcoin. Yeah, this is it. Banter bubble. Now, looking at this coin, looking at Banter bubble right now, you can see that the platform is showing green, green, green light. It's like the market is doing well today. So when you see the bubbles being in green, like most of the bubbles being in green, it means that most of the coins out there are doing well this weekend or at that point in time. So looking at this on this weekend or today, you can see that ENA, W or the ZEC, Phantom, I mean, they are doing well. ODI is up 15%, CAS is up 4.2%. So you can, look at this, during the weekends and see what kind of coins are out there that you can take advantage of. Now, I'm not just gonna tell you just look at it like this, and let me show you guys how to actually go about it. Now, when you stumble on the Banter platform, by the way, if say you don't yet have it, go to banterbubbles.com and you're gonna get this, as it is. And yeah, you have top coins in the crypto space. You have up to top 1,400 coins in the crypto space, but the previous or the normal crypto bubbles has just 1,000 crypto projects, but these guys have up to 1,400 crypto projects out there, on their platform, which is awesome. So yeah, you can, group different coins that you want to trade. You can, create a favorite coin that you can be trading. Like they say, you have five favorite coins that you want to trade. You can create that, and yeah, you have narratives. You say your narrative is AI or maybe you are trading L1 or gaming. You can come here and look for that narrative. If say your play is ecosystem, like for example, you are trading the Solana ecosystem or the Bitcoin ecosystem, or maybe other ecosystems that are found in the crypto space. So you can go there. And if say your play is meme coins, you can come here and look at the top 100 meme coins, the top 200 meme coins, and the top 300 meme coins. So they have everything in order here to help you navigate the space. And if you want to check out the top 100, top 200, top 300, you can see the list goes right down to top 1,400 project. And you can also search, yeah, like for example, let's say you want to look for Bitcoin, you can just click Bitcoin and it's going to give you Bitcoin, I think. So yeah, it's still loading. Yeah, you can just go there and search Bitcoin and give you. I'm not gonna wait for it to load. I think it takes some time to load. But what I want to show you guys here is this. When you come to the Banter bubbles, you'll see the hourly time, performance. You'll see the daily performance. You see the weekly performance. You see the monthly performance, and you see the yearly performance. What I want you to do is first of all go to the weekly performance. Now you are looking at the top 100 coins out there, and you want to see what this coin has done for the week, because you need to see the coin that has done well for the week and the ones that haven't done well for the week, and maybe those coins that haven't done yet for done well for the week can start giving you some opportunities during the weekend to trade. Now you can see here there are so many of them right now, so many coins that have been like that are down during this week, and CW is down 35%. Only Core and ENA are up. You can see significantly. So it's like for this week everything is down. That means there's more opportunity, and you can see like Bong CFX is down 26%. You can see Argo is down 12%. Bong is down 18%. Floki is down 21%. So you can come here and see the coins that are really down, tremendously. And for example, Floki is a good coin, and Floki has been pumping recently. Bong also is a good coin. This coin Wift, this is Dog with Heart, I think it's also a good coin. They are all meme coins, right? OP is down also 90%. So now, we have seen that these coins are down, for the week, or yeah, this amount. Now, what you're gonna do is go to the daily time frame now. Go to the daily time frame and look at the coins that are doing well for today. Like today means this weekend. So you can see that these coins that are doing well for today, this weekend, are coins that if we go back, for example, you can see OP was part of those coins that one of those coins that I mentioned, and I think AVAX was there as well. CAZ was there. Audi was there before, like yesterday when I checked on it, Audi was there. But you can see other coins like Bong is, for the day is up 1.99% shape. So Bong has been down significantly, and Bong is up just 1%. So what I do, I click on Bong, and to see what it has done for the hour. For the hour, it is down just 4.7 4.47%, and for the day is up 1.9%. And you can see for the week is down 18%, for the month 18%. So you can as well click on the coins. You're gonna see the performance of that coin for the week, for the day, and for the hour. Which is very important. Now, guys, if say like for example, right now, Audi is pumping, and you want to understand why Audi is pumping, click on Audi, to look at what is going on the platform, what it has done for the week, for the month. So you can see if Audi is up today 15%, it means Audi for the week was down 15%. So you can see here that Audi is recovering, after being down for more than 15%, and for the month, Audi is down 9%, meaning Audi was down tremendously. Like if we add this year, it's gonna be about 20 something percent. So it means that Bonk and Floki might be doing so well, right? Or might be attempting to do so well. Now you go to the community of, to check on what is going on. Before for you to be able to, comment here, you have to sign in. I already sign in with my Twitter. But guys, the idea here is you're gonna come here and rate what people are talking about, or maybe there's something about the project which is making it to pump this weekend. You can see which I bought this last year. I purchased it on 2028 November. So you can see you're gonna meet people around the world talking about the coin and so on. As for me, I bought Audi long time ago. I've been talking about Audi on my platform long time ago. Even when it went to $3, I was talking about it. So Audi is one of those platforms that I like, coins that I really love, and it has made me some benefits or some profits during this weekend as well. So looking at this, I now can go to the performance and look at about, for example, if you want to check on about what Audi is all about, you can go here and check on Audi. Now, looking at this, let's go to Shiba Inu. Because Shiba Inu, no, not Shiba Inu, Bonk. Let's check on Bonk. Bonk is doing this right now, and you can see Bonk for the week is down 18%. So what I do next is I go to my chart, but before I do that, I always look at what Bitcoin is doing. Sorry, guys, I would have started with this before I go to the bubbles. I want to see what Bitcoin has done for that week, right? So we are on the 4 hours time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, and we're gonna go also to the 50 minutes time frame to see what Bitcoin has been doing for that week. Now, looking at this, area here, you can see this area here, this zone here represent what Bitcoin has been doing this week. You can see from the Asian section, we saw price started here around $71,000, and we saw price plunge right down to about about $64,000. And during this period, the highest zone or highest area where price has moved towards is at around $69,000, meaning price might be attempting to go and retest this previous high, like this high of the week, like last Monday, or previous Monday. So you can see maybe price might attempt to go, because you can see price is in the middle, and because price hasn't gone yet to retest the zone, so I'm thinking that price is trying to recover and go towards that zone. But for me to confirm that maybe we're gonna see more upside, price have to trade above $72,000. So knowing that Bitcoin is trying to recover from this dip, and Bitcoin was dipping, and this has caused other cryptocurrencies like Bong and the rest to like Wift also to dump. It means that if Bitcoin start recovering, these coins are going to start recovering as well, and the upside of these coins is going to be so great. Now, I'm going to go to the chart of Bong, so to see what price has done also, and if say Bong is trying to recover. Now, this is the hourly time frame. We can see that Bong, the price of Bong left, around 0.00027, like looking at the ASEAN section on Monday, like last Monday, you see that price started moving downward, same as Bitcoin, but the downward movement for Bond was, really bad, like, because it has been pumping like, crazy. If we go to the 1 hour time, to the daily time frame, sorry, you're gonna see that its coin was pumping, and now it is found in an area of support here, which is good, So I'm gonna go back now to the 15 minutes time frame to see if say there are some opportunities here. Now, okay, looking at Bong right now, I will say that there's an opportunity here to buy, because you see, ever since price, if I zoom out, ever since price came towards the zone, yeah, price has been creating this area where I think price is trying, like before price make this high, and price has come back to make lower lows after this high, yeah. So what I want to see, yeah, for price is for price to actually break this zone here, this area here, and trade above. Let me just say, I want to see price trade above where the alpha trend printed the sell signal here, So price should trade above it. But looking at this right now, I can now go to do what Sheldon always loved to do. Sheldon will, do this, draw this trend line here, and to snipe like what, of course I don't use trend line, but I love to draw them, to see what price is doing. So now drawing this trend line now, I would say that maybe if price break to the upside, I'm gonna buy, or price break to the downside, I'm gonna buy, but I'm not gonna say that. What I want to say is, knowing that bond has started recovering for today 1%, what I want to do is buy bond. Right, I want to buy bond. Guys, I don't trade futures that much. I mostly trade spot. Most of my trading is spot, because I don't know how to deal with leverage. Most of the time I lost when I deal with leverage. Why? Because my stop loss is always tight. So my strategy is more of a swing trade, and like at times, when I see a project or a coin that has tumbled, or that has fallen, so that has dipped so badly, I might go there and look at the zone. Then I might want to bet, because that's falling so badly, right? But in this case, that Bitcoin is still playing, around that area, I won't want to play with leverage right now. So you can see clearly that price is in an uptrend respecting levels. So I don't want to see price break below either of these support zone here. If I see price break above this trend line here, and break like this, come back, retest it, that's when I want to get involved with it during the weekend. But for now, I mean, like for like full time, like of course, like I'm gonna buy now. Like if I have to trade this, I'm gonna buy now, and then if price break, retest, I add more, and if the price goes against me, I want to add more. Then when price retrace, I'm gonna sell. That's how I sell. So for example, if I buy a coin right now for $100, and it plunge downward here, like I see a huge wick here, I want to buy that coin again for $100, because I know if it comes here, we might see a quick recovery, and that quick recovery, it might help me to recover most of the most of what I lose during the dip. Maybe it help me to recover half, that I can sell now and get out from it. So looking at this right now, I will say that bond is bond might be a good play for this weekend. Like maybe tomorrow or within the day, we're gonna see a breakout from either for either toward either direction, right? So I don't know if the price is gonna go up or down. What I'm sure is if it goes up, I'm gonna wait and buy more and see if the price keep going more to the upside. But because I'm looking at this 800-day moving average on the 50 minutes time frame, it might go here and bounce back, then maybe trade the opposite direction. But if I go to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, I can see clearly that, during this week, like if say this weekend is not good for Bronc, maybe for Monday, if price is able to break this zone here, this trend, yeah, like if price break above here and it takes this zone back, then we might see Bronc recover back to the upside, and the upside is really like good. It's gonna be a good percentage moving to the upside from where it is right now. If we look how many percent, that's about 22% that you can make from where price is, which is good. That's how I trade my altcoins every month or every week or every day. I go to look at coins that are that have plunged downward and are about to recover. I don't play with sell, but with the sell button, like I don't trade sell like leverage. I hate trading selling. They're like pressing the sell button. Because each time I press the sell button, I'm either gonna lose money somehow. Because that's not how I'm wired. Now, looking at this thought process, you can now understand what I'm looking at. So you can, if say you look at Bong and Bong is not doing that, like giving you what you want to do, now you can go back to the weekly time frame and look for another coin that you can chart. For example, let's see for the week. Let's go back for the week, and you can see here, Job is down. Aptos is down 22%, Gala is down 18%, and Argo is down 11%. So looking at this now, I might as well say maybe I want to chart Gala. Maybe Gala can start pumping as well, because Gala has been down, with Bitcoin as well. I mean, but that means Gala is respecting what Bitcoin is doing. So if Bitcoin is pumping, Gala Games has to pump as well. Now, because Bitcoin has done what Bitcoin did and Gala Game hasn't done well for the year, you can see Gala Game is up just 30%. So I might assume that we might see some sort of movement with Gala Games, providing for the day is already starting to move. It's starting to move 0.176%. Maybe this is the movement. Like you can also come here afterward to watch. Like, okay, if say Gala Games has moved 0.176%, maybe it can move another 1% again. And if you see it move 5%, wow, you can say to yourself, maybe Gala Games have started moving, because usually when this coin started moving, they move like 5%. They come back and retest like the retest where, let me just go to Gala so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Gala Games, this is Gala. Now, what I'm trying to say to you guys is, now you're seeing that Gala is in a downtrend, or was in a downtrend, and if we see clearly, there is a zone here. I want to draw the zone in a box for you to see properly, and Gala has to be able to break this zone here, and trade above the zone. So if Gala break above this zone, price is gonna come back somehow to retest it. That's how price move. If not immediately, but it's gonna come back somehow. So if price break like this, it's gonna come back here somehow, or halfway somehow. That's when you're buying. So when you buy now, you take it back to the upside. So that's what I do. If I like, for example, if I miss a pump, I come to look at what price was doing before that pump, and look at the area where price has been moving or consolidating, in. So in this case, you can see price has been moving in this range, moving in this range, moving in this range, and price is actually respecting this range when it comes to Gala Games. So if price break, and trade above the better moving average, the best thing or the next thing I think price is gonna do is at least come back after price has hit this zone. Price is gonna come back to test either of this zone where price break out before moving back to the upside. That's gonna be a healthy way to trade. knowing that price is not respect structure, and because price is respecting structure, you can buy with confidence, knowing that price is gonna keep moving to the upside. So I want to believe this is really getting into your head, to see how I go about using banter bubbles. Guys, there's a lot of stuff here on this platform. You can trade narrative. Like for example, let's say you want to trade narrative, you can come here. Let's go to filter. From the filter section, you're gonna go to the right hand corner. You see the different narratives that are there. You're gonna see like metaverse, privacy coin, decentralized finance, artificial intelligence, liquid staking. There's so many of them. If you say you want to trade ecosystem, you can go here. If you want to trade meme coins, you can go here as well. For example, let's say I want to go to trade. Let's look at memes. I want to trade memes, right? I click on memes. It's gonna give me all the memes out there that are doing well today. So you can as well come and perform the same thing I did with the top 100 coins. You can go, if you are a DJ, you are out there looking for the next big meme or the next big thing, you can do the same thing. Now you can see that we are on the, let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's see what's going on with this, with memes. You can see from the weekly time frame, I think I have gone out of it. Okay, let me go back again and try to get this meme performance. Okay. So what you can do is just click on, for example, Trump, and you see what Trump has been doing for the month is down this, for the week is up this. So maybe you don't want to play with Trump. It's still pumping. It hasn't gone down that much. You can look for other coins that have been okay. Like you can see Bong is here as well. You can see APX, Kish Zuma is down 12%. You can go and chart all of this coin to see which one can give you an opportunity for that weekend. Don't just rush to buy any coin which is pumping. Try to buy a coin that has, of course, you can buy coins that are pumping if, say, you understand technical analysis. Let's say, for example, let me just assume that, let's say, fork, right? Fork is pumping. Let me just check quickly. Fork, let's see. Okay, you can see this is among the top 1,000 coins. Usually I don't play with this, but this is really degen. If say you are a degen, you can see for the year this coin is up this amount, and this coin is still around the top 1,000 coins out there, meaning this might be a new meme coin trying to make its way to the crypto space. Let me put it that way. Now you can go to the community, and if you are signing, you can see what people are saying about the coin. What they're talking about. Is it a new meme coin? You can, and if you want to know about the coin, you can go to about. We will tell the tale of Floki fork. So this is more of a Floki fork, and you can go the performance as I mentioned. And if you want to see more, you can go here. I think on the about section, you can go on coin market cap, to check more about the coin, like to go detailedly to read about the coin and so on and so forth, which network it is. You can see the coin is on the Ethereum network. You can check on the supply, you can check on the market cap, everything from this, platform. And guys, like, Banter Bubble has made it easier, like bring everything together to make it easier. So from here, you can get like a brief overview of what is going on with that coin. Then you can buy it immediately before you start looking at more details or more fundamentals about that coin, which is really good. So there are so many stuff that I'm gonna be doing subsequent videos to help you guys with, on how to navigate the platform. Because I cannot show you guys everything in one video. It's impossible. It's gonna be so long and boring. So let's take this one for today and digest it, then apply it in our trading style or to our trading style. So voila, this is how you can use Banter Crypto Bubbles or Banter Bubbles to trade cryptocurrency on weekends. This is what I do, every now and then. Of course, I don't trade often on weekends, but whenever I want to do something on cryptocurrency, when I wake up from bed, I try to look at what Banter Bubble is doing, what what the bubbles are saying, because the bubbles gives me an overview of the market, what is happening in the market. So I see if the market is in a downtrend or in an uptrend. If I see that the market is in a downtrend, then I'm looking for opportunities. If I see that the market is in an uptrend, I'm looking for ways to take out profit. I'm always in the market with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some other altcoins that I buy when it's like so low, because I have the ways that I go about doing this. And if say you want to get my buy and sell alert, you want to know what I'm buying, when I'm buying it, when I'm taking out profit, then go below this video. There's a link for you to connect with me through my community. When you get there, you can just comment and we're going to welcome you. Then we're going to tell you how you can be part of my VIP to get my buy and sell signal. It's not that like I would say buy this or buy that. No, I'm trying to, what I'm trying to do here is help people understand my thought process, what I'm looking at, with any project before I want to buy it, or what I'm looking at before I can sell it. And everything I do is centered around Bitcoin. Bitcoin gives me, if Bitcoin is consolidating, Bitcoin is not doing anything, I know that during that period where Bitcoin is just moving sideways, there are some altcoins that are going to pump. So I go now and look at altcoins that haven't yet done anything that much for the week, the month, the day, the hour, the 50 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, to give me a clue on what I should be doing. Then I go now to my chart on TradingView to look at what the coin has done previously, look at different areas where the coin has been respecting different zones, because the trading is all about, or investment is all about, looking at market structure, what the market is doing. Is the market in an uptrend, downtrend, or just moving sideways? If you're able to understand all this, then it will be easier for you to be able to approach the market sustainably. So guys, I don't want to talk so much. I love to talk a lot because there's so much to share. It's not my fault, But I'm gonna call this a go for today. If you actually love the content, make sure you like it, you share it, comment below your thoughts. Did you know about this platform before, or have you used it before? Comment below how it has helped you, if that's the case. And don't forget, if say you are new, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Ciao.
Don't be scared.